Sustainability is, without a doubt, one of the most widely discussed topics in recent years. Manufacturing companies need to rethink many concepts to adapt to the requirements of sustainable business practices. On the other hand, in a global business world, companies must remain competitive, which means ensuring high-quality products while also maintaining environmentally friendly production processes. This should reinforce the synergies between quality management and sustainability in manufacturing. The vision of this proposal is to enable SME-affordable process quality monitoring services that are inexpensive, require minimal interaction with domain experts, and are easy to deploy. These services will consider product quality within the context of environmental friendliness and energy consumption, thus assuring eco-aware process quality. This is one of the key concepts for realizing sustainable manufacturing. Here we can observe the system setup in DD Wellness Solutions' plasma cutting process. By utilizing this system, they aim to enhance their quality control and management of environmental emissions and power usage. System is prepared for monitoring plasma cutting process. With the help of Kit 4 SME platform, data is collected using various sensors and a camera. The system creates new models during the training process with the assistance of the Kit 4 SME platform. The Kit 4 SME platform facilitates the use of synthetic data, thereby enhancing reliability. System applied trained models in the real-time operation. System detects some anomalous situations. System provides a root cause analysis. System finds a parameter that is outside of the norm. Main results are processed behavioral models which illustrates various problems. Technology includes digital twins, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Main goal is for trained models to be applied in real time. The system is applied in a real-time manufacturing environment. It detects various types of anomalies in the cutting process. It also detects environmental pollution and ensures environmentally friendly quality control.